Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Festus, Swahili teacher for more than 10 years. And today we're going to learn about afternoon greetings. In the previous session, we learned about the morning greetings. And we learned about habari za asubuhi, umeamkaje, umelalaje, and habari za tangu jana. But today, we're going to learn about two common afternoon greetings, which are habari za mchana and mchana mwema. So let's start with habari za mchana. When somebody greets you, habari za mchana means good afternoon, or how is your afternoon? Let's have a breakdown of this greeting. Habari means news or information. Za is a possessive particle whose English equivalent is of, and mchana is afternoon. So habari za mchana is how is your afternoon, or good afternoon. The second greeting is mchana mwema. Mchana mwema. Mchana is afternoon and mwema is good. So when somebody greets you, mchana mwema means he wishes you a good afternoon. So mchana mwema means have a nice afternoon. Let's go to the second part of today's lesson, that is the responses to these greetings. When somebody greets you, habari za mchana, then you can respond saying Nzuri or Salama. Nzuri means good or nice, and Salama means peaceful. So when somebody greets you, habari za mchana, then you respond either saying Nzuri or Salama. And another greeting is mchana mwema. Or when somebody greets you, mchana mwema means he wishes you a nice afternoon or a good afternoon. Then you appreciate it, saying Asante, which means thank you. Asante in English is thank you. Or Asante nawe pia. Asante, thank you. Nawe means and you, pia means also. So asante nawe pia is thank you and you too. So that marks the end of our today's lesson. So for personalized lessons of Swahili, if you want to be taught individually, may contact us at EssenceOfSwahili@gmail.com, and we'll give you all the instructions on how you can enroll into the personalized teachings. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.